Welcome to a fascinating journey into the world of acids. Ever wondered about the uses of tartaric acid, or why an ant sting causes that sharp burning sensation? Acids are everywhere, from the food we eat to the products we use every day. They can be sour like lemon juice or corrosive like battery acid. Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of acids, and I promise you'll never look at an ant the same way again. Let's start with a tasty one, tartaric acid. This acid is found naturally in many fruits, especially grapes. And you know what else is made from grapes? Wine. Tartaric acid plays a crucial role in giving wine its characteristic taste. It's a key ingredient in baking powder, helping dough rise by creating those airy bubbles we love in cakes and bread. Tartaric acid also acts as a stabilizer for dyes, keeping those colors bright in candies and drinks. So next time you take a bite of a cookie or sip on some grape juice, remember the tiny but mighty tartaric acid working behind the scenes. Ever been stung by an ant? You've had a close encounter with methanoic acid, also known as formic acid. This simple but potent acid with the formula HQOH is an ant's primary defense mechanism. When an ant stings, it injects a tiny amount of methanoic acid into your skin, causing that sharp, burning sensation. Methanoic acid disrupts the pH balance of your skin, triggering pain receptors. Interestingly, some ant species produce more potent methanoic acid than others. So, while those tiny ants might seem harmless, their chemical weaponry is something to be respected. Now, let's talk about lactic acid, the reason your muscles feel sore after a strenuous workout. This organic acid, with the formula C3H6O3, is produced in your muscles during intense physical activity. When you exercise, your muscles need energy, and if you're pushing yourself hard, they might not get enough oxygen to produce that energy efficiently. That's when lactic acid steps in, helping your muscles keep going even when oxygen is limited. But lactic acid buildup can also lead to that familiar burning sensation in your muscles during a workout. After your workout, your body breaks down the lactic acid, and that's why rest and recovery are so important. Chapter 4. Acetic acid, the versatile vinegar star. Let's move on to a kitchen staple, acetic acid. This simple organic acid, with the formula CH3CoO, is what gives vinegar its signature sour taste and pungent smell. But acetic acid is more than just a salad dressing ingredient. It's a versatile chemical used in various applications, from food preservation to industrial processes. Vinegar, which contains acetic acid, has been used for centuries as a natural preservative, preventing the growth of bacteria and mold in foods. Acetic acid is also a key ingredient in many cleaning products, helping dissolve mineral deposits and grime. So as you can see, acetic acid is quite the versatile vinegar star. Chapter 5. Ant stings versus bee stings, a tale of two acids. You might think all insect stings are the same, but think again. Ant stings and bee stings, while both painful, involve different chemicals. We've already learned about the ant's weapon of choice, methanoic acid. But bees inject a different kind of venom containing a mixture of compounds, including melittin. Melittin is a peptide and the primary pain-causing agent in bee venom. So, while both ant and bee stings can be unpleasant, they rely on different chemical cocktails to deliver their punch. Chapter 6. First aid for stings, neutralizing the burn. Getting stung by an ant or a bee is no picnic, but there are things you can do to ease the pain. The first step is to clean the sting site thoroughly with soap and water to remove any remaining venom and reduce the risk of infection. Next, consider applying a cold compress to the area to help numb the pain and reduce swelling. You can neutralize the acid in an ant sting by applying a weak base like baking soda paste. Simply mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste and apply it to the sting to reduce the burning sensation. Chapter 7. The acid inside, a safe storage solution. Have you ever wondered why the acid doesn't harm the insect that produces it? These insects have evolved a brilliant storage solution. The acid is produced and stored in specialized glands, keeping it separate from the insect's other tissues. When the insect stings, the acid is released in a controlled manner through a specialized structure, like the ant's stinger. Chapter 8. Acids, a world of wonder. From tartaric acid to methanoic acid, each acid has unique properties and fascinating roles in our daily lives. We've journeyed through the tangy world of tartaric acid, explored the ant's chemical weapon, and delved into the science behind muscle soreness. So stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop learning about the amazing world of science.